Everybody, happy day before Halloween. I hope everybody's having a good day. I imagine most of the festivities will happen tonight. I'll be out for a little while and then come back and inaugurate Kitchen Stadium tonight. Going to be another unofficial one, but I'm looking forward to the chicken in a bag. I'm going to redo that. I want to get the spicing profile right. This morning I'm underneath of the tent out here, and things working out fantastic already. Had a tiny little bit of rain overnight, which I didn't really expect, so I had to dry out the stove and get that fired up again and make sure that that is good. So yeah, I can't even believe it now. Kitchen Stadium. I think the table, yeah, I'm keeping the table because that's a legendary table there, right? As long as the tabletop still stays on, it stays. But it's situated nicely. Oh, instead of bird just crapped, or bird just crapped on top. I guess the rain will wash that away. But doesn't that look pretty nice? And then here, I'm not connected to the internet. This is where I'll be sitting and eating. Whoever guests are, we have a lot of chairs over there we can pull in. We can pull this back as far as we need to have it. We have another 10 feet. We're behind here, so you can put a ton of people. Put a big folding table here, if need be. So this thing is excellent. Now the goal today is to try to get some lighting up on here carefully, safely. I want everything to be grounded, so let's open the box and see what we got in the way of lights. Here we go. Should be pretty good, and I need to thank Jesse Scott, wonderful friend, for suggesting these lights. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, and these are nice. Yeah, this looks really heavy duty. Wow, look at that. This looks really heavy duty. The only problem is, and what's going to be a problem tonight is, I thought that they had, maybe the bulbs come in another box. I don't know. I think that they probably, I think this is 3 strings that they hooked, they put together. But I really like, this is restaurant. This is outdoor, really outdoor rated here. And I'm excited to have that. So I'm imagining maybe the bulbs, geez, I hope the bulbs are included. The bulbs are included. There's going to be another week or so till we get them in. Let me check the other boxes here. Nope, I think I'm the chump here. I didn't, never assume, you know, right? What they say about assume. We'll be all right for light tonight. We'll make do. But yeah, I don't have any bulbs. I think that's gonna be. Oh, it does have the light bulbs. What the hell? What is going on? It does have the light bulbs. Get them out of here. This box. Oh, come on, mate. There we go. All right. Gosh, we got another string here. This is really gonna look like a restaurant. And here, yeah. And here are the bulbs in here. So yeah, we got a. Oh, you know what? Maybe my other box had them. They're all nicely packed in shipping foam, as you can see. This is going to be fantastic. So I guess I have everything I need. Maybe this box, nope, that box didn't have, but I'm pretty sure I got everything I need. And that makes me happy. Incandescent S14 light bulbs. So it's going to be nice. I think we're going to use, well, this is really heavy gauge stuff, which is great. And I like to have a lot of lights that look like a restaurant. So it should be fun. And Bird and I have to do some shopping today. I also treated myself to some more Champion gear. I'm just in love in love with Champion gear. And let's see what we got here. This is a little more. Yeah, here's the, look at that. Champion. How do you like that? Man, I got a matching set here. I feel so good. And I adore black. Absolutely adore black. And now I got a hoodie here too. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. I have to be very careful because I'm a slob. But how do you like that? Nice Champion hoodie. Oh, so snuggly, so nice, so Champion. Call me to represent. I would definitely sponsor Champion gear. I like it. I like it so much. I don't know. Is it ghetto? No, it's nice, right? So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. They give you some direction too of how to put it over. You can loop it over the bars actually and over the top. So we'll see. We'll experiment with it. But I'm excited. It's going to put out a lot of light here, and it should be really good. It's nice and grounded. The whole set. We have a GFI over here just in case, ground fault interrupter circuit. So we should be good to go. Anyway, thumbs up are appreciated, guys, and thanks for being along this morning. The rain is no longer our enemy here as we're outside in Kitchen Stadium. Thanks, everybody.